Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the simulation of a single phase half bridge inverter, and we are going to use the Simulink software for the simulation of the same. So let's first understand the meaning of an inverter. So an inverter is a power electronics device that converts direct power to an alternating power. By using this inverter, we can convert fixed DC into variable AC power, which has a variable frequency and voltage. And talking about single phase bridge inverters, these are commonly used in DC to AC conversion. Moreover, an output transformer is not essential in a bridge circuit. Now, as you can see in front of yourselves, this is a circuit. This type of inverter requires two power electronic switches. In this case, we have used MOSFET. We can also use IGBT for the switching purpose. Circuit diagram is given over here, as you can see. As shown in this circuit diagram, input DC voltage is taken to be 100 volt. This source is divided into two equal parts of 50 volt DC and 50 volt DC, as you can see. Now gate pulse are given to the MOSFET as shown in this figure. You can see that we have given gate pulse to the MOSFET number 1 as well as to the MOSFET number 2. Now, according to output frequency, on time and off time of MOSFET is decided and gate pulses are generated, we need 50 Hz AC power. So the time period of one cycle, which is 0 to 2 pi, is 20 milliseconds. As shown in the diagram, MOSFET 1 is triggered for the first half cycle, that is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi. You can see that for the time interval 0 to pi, the MOSFET 1 is triggered. And during this time, MOSFET 2 is not triggered. In this time period, current will flow in the direction of arrow as shown in this figure. You can see that this is the direction of the current, we can see, and the half cycle of AC output is completed. The current from the load is right to left and load voltage is equal to plus VDC by 2. Now, in the second half cycle, that is pi to 2 pi, the MOSFET 2 is triggered and lower voltage source is connected with the load. The current from the load is left to right direction. You can see over here. Sorry, you can see over here the current direction is from left to right direction, and load voltage is equal to minus VDC by 2. In this time period, current will flow as shown in the figure, and the other half cycle of AC output is also completed. So this was about the brief introduction of an single phase half bridge inverter. Now let's come to the simulation part and see the circuit of the same. As you can see in front of yourselves, this is the circuit of a single phase half bridge inverter that I have constructed on Simulink. You can see that we have used two MOSFETs over here. Here we have taken the internal diode resistance as 0.01 ohms, internal diode voltage as 0 volts, etc, etc. Similar specifications on this one. And coming to, we have used two pulse generators over here. For the first pulse generator, we have used an amplitude of 5, period of 0.02 seconds, pulse width of 50, phase delay of 0 seconds. But for the second one, we have used all the same specifications except the phase delay, which is 0.01 seconds over here. We have used two voltage sources of 50 volts each, so that together they are 100 volts. This is a ground. This is a voltage measurement. This is a power GUI which is used for the working. This is a scope to see the output. This is another voltage measurement that we have used. So you can see the connections that I have done over here. This is a load resistance. We have used the series RLC branch, and we have taken the branch type to be R, and then we have specified a resistance of 200 ohms for this one. Now this is all about the circuit, and let's now see the simulation of this. As you can see over here, that the input is a 100 volt DC. As you can see over here, this is a 100 volt DC which is taken as input, and the output is a square waveform AC. So 50 volts positive and 50 volts negative over here, you can see. So this was all about a single phase half bridge inverter. which converts DC power to AC power. Thank you for watching this video.